UMG just filed a motion to dismiss Drake's claim against him while Drake presented a claim of defamation and deceptive business practices, etc. Well, UMG just filed an answer to it, basically stating that Drake's complaint should be dismissed because Drake fails to state a claim. Drake doesn't show that Kendrick acted with actual malice. I went over the whole defamation law in a previous video, so go back and watch the previous video if you want to understand what the standard is for defamation. But anyway, clearly it appears as if Kendrick, I'm sorry, not Kendrick Lamar, because he didn't sue Kendrick Lamar. He's only suing UMG for defamation. But nonetheless, UMG's attorneys clearly must have watched my video. Nah, I'm just playing. But no, they clearly just stated the law the same way they stated the law that, basically they're saying, listen, he has to be speaking with facts. He has to be factually saying these things about, oh, Drake being this, Drake being that. But, in the lawsuit, they point to how he when he made the video, he had an actual owl, the bird, the actual owl in the video, saying that this is just imagery, it's all metaphor. And how he said, hey, Drake, I hear you like them young. All the things that I said in my previous video. So he's not speaking factually according to this answer that UMG just filed. And they actually filed a motion to dismiss with prejudice. It's important to note that Drake's lawyers did file some discovery. Basically, discovery is when after the lawsuit is filed and the defendant answers the lawsuit, you basically want to get all evidence that's pertaining to the actual claim so both sides can defend and prosecute the claim. And basically, you're entitled to evidence in discovery, anything that's not privileged and that is relevant to the actual lawsuit. So here Drake has, his lawyers have already filed for discovery, and they're basically just saying, hey, you know what, we want you to turn over all of the information that's pertaining to this claim. Who did you pay? What bloggers did you pay? How did you use the metrics and making Kendrick go? Basically, in this answer that UMG has filed, basically it's saying the same metrics that we used for Kendrick is the same metrics we used to help you sell 170 million records. But this guy is huge, and they're saying the same thing that basically UMG represents both Kendrick and Drake. And so basically in this lawsuit, they said the same thing that you're complaining about. We've been upfront, we've been above board, and the same thing we helped you do to help you get your success, we did the same thing for his. They say you, basically they're stating here that you engaged in a rap battle that you actually initiated yourself. You initiated and you called Kendrick several metaphorical names, as well as people in his crew and I think Kendrick's family. These things of sort. So, we'll see what the judge says, but they clearly found a motion to dismiss, and they want to be dismissed with prejudice. And as I stated before, dismissal with prejudice means that the plaintiff cannot refile this claim ever again regarding this same causes of action, defamation, I think deceptive business practices, and whatever else Drake had alleged in his lawsuit. I won't go into every line by line of this lawsuit because I think everybody knows about it by now. But basically, UMG has filed a motion to dismiss. That's their answer. They have a 32-page answer that they filed a couple days ago, and we'll see what the judge says. I mean, basically, Drake saying, hey, man, you guys defame me because you own this song and you promoted it and you let him call me all these names. When UMG's basically coming back and said, you know what, dude, you started it. You started with the name calling. You called him names. And we have no deceptive business practices. And everything that we've done has been above board. We've helped you be successful, but you engaged in a rap battle that you lost, and the entire rap genre, well, excuse me, not the entire rap, but the entire rap battle genre, when they battle against each other. They actually detail several battles here from Roxanne Shante going back and forth with, and just rap battles in general. They say rap battles in general, they have a lot of vitriolic lyrics that are not defamed. And then also you kind of crossing across the lines of First Amendment free speech. So, you know, all these things are in there. You go read it for yourself. It's uploaded. I don't have a prediction on what's going to happen, if the judge is going to dismiss it or not. I have no idea if there's a question of material fact for a jury to hear, but we'll see. But this is UMG's response to Drake's defamation lawsuit. So we'll see, and we'll follow this closely. And I'll, you know, whenever the judges make a decision, I'll make a follow-up video. It's your brother, Attorney Jeff, sports and entertainment attorney.